Hello engineers, you are welcome to Crest Control Automation. In today's video, we are going to look at how to start an induction motor from two different locations using two start buttons, and at the same time how to stop that same motor from two different locations using two stop buttons. So we are going to do the wiring and then I will explain the diagram to you. We connect the light to terminal 1. From terminal 2, it goes to terminal 1 on the other stop button. From terminal 2 on the second stop button. It goes to terminal 3 on the first start button. From terminal 4, here it is 23, 24, they are all the same. It goes to A1 on the contactor, left with the second start button. We tap from terminal 3 on the first start button. It goes to terminal 3 on the second start button. Then we tap from terminal 4 on the first start push button. Then it connects at terminal 4 on the second push button. Now we connect the terminal 3 and 4 on the start button in parallel with terminal 13, 14 as the hold on. We connect at terminal 14 to terminal 4. We connect the neutral to A2. We are going to use this motor, single phase, 2 cables, live and neutral. We connect live to line 1 on the contactor, neutral to line 3. Now we connect these 2 cables. So these are the motor cables. Then these are the inputs, live and neutral, and then the motor cables. So this is the circuit diagram. I connected 2 stop buttons in series and 2 start buttons in parallel. Okay, so when you press on start 1, current will flow through to energize the K1. This contact will close as a hold on for K1. We can press on any of the stop buttons to de-energize the K1. At the same time, we can use start 2 to also energize it. When you press it, current will flow through to energize it. This K1 will still close to serve as a hold on. So let's look at the circuit, how it operates. This is start 1, start 2, stop 1, stop 2. So I'm pressing on start 1. Let me press on stop 1 to stop it. I am pressing on the same start 1. I will use stop 2 to stop it. I will press on start 2. I will use stop 1. I will press on the same start 2. I will use stop 2. This circuit is so practical, it's so useful in industries, okay? In situations where you want to start this motor at this location and you can stop it at different location, okay? You can also use different location to start it and stop it at also different locations. So you can use 2 or more than 2. We only use 2 start buttons and 2 stop buttons. You can use as many as you want, depending on the locations that you want to start your motor. Okay, so if this is the first time you are watching this channel, I'll urge you that you subscribe to Craze Control Automation. Okay, just make sure you click on the subscribe button and you hit on the bell icon. You select all to turn on your notification. Then you like the video, you put down your comment, and also you share the video to your friends. Okay, so let's meet in the next tutorials. Thank you.